The center has been started last year, that is in 2019. But we've got we've got a family-owned 35-bedded two hospitals in West Delhi, which are running for the one is running from the past 35 years and the other is almost 20 years old. So that is the background. That is the background which we already have. But we are venturing out because diagnostics and pharmacy being two different parts of it, which provide the ample amount of income which can be sidelined and which can itself run as which can itself run as separate entity businesses. So the pharmacy part and the diagnostics part, we have separated it out. And right now, since 2019, that is last year, towards the end, we have started with diagnostic center. They accept the diagnostic center initially was the part of the hospital, but now it is an independent registered separate company in which two of the buyers are outsourced from our hospital itself. That means the standalone diagnostic center, which I am managing, two buyers which we already have, like two projects which we already have, are our own hospitals. We have shown it as that we have outsourced the hospitals for their radiology business. Business from the past 30-35 years, and now we are seeking investment for the expansion and for the scaling up. Now, talking a bit about the USP of the business, or what is the profitability if somebody wants to invest into a business like ours. There are 3 points which I would like to emphasize here. First point is that you are dealing not with a core businessman who are just concentrated about the profit. Here, if you partner with a company like us, we are professionals and we belong to the same fraternity. So patient benefit is firstly seen into a company like ours. The second part is, if you talk about returns about on investment, the fixed assets which are there, like the properties, are our own. Though if some investor wants to take up a separate property or a separate place of work and they want to run it on rental basis, that can be definitely taken into consideration. But the fixed cost, the fixed returns which are there, that is the two major expenses if you talk per annum or per month is the property rentals, and the second thing is the salary of the radiologist, which also comes to about 3 to 4 lakhs per month. So the two parts, if you consider that, those expenses are not there from the first day itself because the properties are owned by ourselves, and the radiologists who are working, they are also either a part of our group who are not being paid, who are being paid per case basis, and one of the radiologists is me.